front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. I always change default apps on devices I'm recording just to make them more comfortable to use, especially browser. If you want to do that on your tablet, go into Play Store first and download your new apps you wish to set up as default ones. In my case, Chrome browser. When your app or apps are ready, exit Play Store and go into Settings. Now scroll to Hit Apps. And tap on Choose Default Apps at the top. Now tap on one of those sections you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Then tap on an app you wish to apply. And when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!